back to my channel. My name is IDANISE and this is IDANISE Official Beauty. So this is another vlog for you guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to do an all-day vlog. I believe this will be one, or maybe a weekly vlog. I'm not sure. It depends on how I'm feeling. But welcome to the channel. Yeah, my name is IDANISE and I create content, of course, on this channel. You can catch everything from beauty, vlogs, lifestyle, and a few mukbangs to come here and there. You feel me? But anyways, as you can see from the clips, I went officially to the store, but not officially. It's initial. No. But first, I had a doctor's appointment, which I will talk about in a later video, or when I feel the time is right to talk about it. But it's been an ongoing thing, an ongoing situation. I feel like I'm getting near to this issue. So a lot of times when you see me vlogging, putting out content, I am going through a little issue, that's been going on for past a year, and I'm feeling grateful, I'm feeling thankful, but I will talk about it someday. But anyways, I went to the dollar store and I got some home decor stuff because I'm going to be changing, or I feel I need to change my place around, especially the curtains, guys. These curtains need to go. Like, they need to go. Okay. Yeah, I do have two curtains here that my friend Banu gave to me. I have two. I need to buy three more curtains. um you know I'm trying to figure out like what color, maybe like a champagne color, I'm not sure, or maybe a purple, because that's what I want. But we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna do a little home decor, just a little today, a little bit DIY today, yeah, but not everything is going to be done in terms of getting everything decorated and stuff. I also want to change these here. These were up here when I first moved 5 years ago. This also here, I want to change that. They're not like my style, but I just keep them because they came when I moved in the basement. There's a lot of things I would like to change, probably rearrange some stuff, I'm not sure, and get some nice little DIYs, start to do my little canvas and stuff like that. But we'll see how that goes. I'm going to show you what I get, and then I'm going to just start bit by bit to show you what I'm going to do. Mainly, so I feel a lot of these stuff have to go here. Like a lot of these, like I've had these in a while, I feel like it's time for them to go. Put something new. I just recently got that one over there. This one I'm going to keep. This was like a cup that I had over here, but I use it as a flower plant, if that makes sense. This one I brought from the dollar store. I brought it during my birthday. I'm going to probably keep this here, but what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to take that plastic thing off. I'm going to keep the purple, of course, and put it in a vase or something, just DIY that a bit. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do that, and we're gonna get crack-a-lacking. But first, I'm just gonna show you what I got from the dollar store. So yeah, all right guys, so I just finished eating some food actually, so excuse, you feel me. But anyways, let me show you guys what I got from the dollar store, and I'm just gonna rearrange this room right real quick. And yeah, so we're gonna start off with these little pillows here. They're really cute. These are actually $4. I thought they would blend in really well with the couch, so I brought two of these, brought two of these. They're real soft and comfortable, and they're not that expensive. Like I said, it's $4 for these pillows. They actually had them in another color, which was like more like a peach color, but that was not the color that I wanted. So yeah. Then I brought these little flower here, or these flower branches, or whatever you call them. And I brought different sets of purple, because purple is my favorite color. So I kind of just blend them together, and I'm just gonna put them in a vase and then add them somewhere. But yeah, and each of these costs, I believe, they are $125. So they're not that. So this one here is for my bathroom. I've always wanted something like this, especially in this texture, because my bathroom tend to absorb water a lot, and once it starts to absorb water a lot, it tends to have that like watery smell, and I don't like it. So anything that's cloth, you know, towel or whatever that's wet in the bathroom, it kind of contribute to that smell. So I have a towel in there right now, so I'm going to remove that towel and just put this in the washroom. Okay, I just want to let you guys know, this is not the big decor. Like, you know, this is just a little bit rearranging, you know what I mean? So this one here, I actually really love this. It kind of reminds me of a plant. It's giving me like a desert vibe, giving me like nature, because I like nature. I just love this. It's so creative, so cute, you know, and it's $4. Okay. So other things that I brought was things for DIY. I brought some what do you call it, some purple rhinestone. They're like mesh rhinestone, you know, and these are like little linen cardstock, you know, in case I want to do some canvases and stuff like that. It's almost the time of the month. I brought a pad. So what else? Okay, I brought some markers. So these are just in case I have to do some canvases. I want to do some quotes or writing. I'm planning to do these writings on my own. So I brought some of these. And I have markers here already. So I don't need to go all out on getting too much markers. So that's about it. Then I got these, what do you call it? These are like round cut rhinestones. These are very clear. I brought 2 of them, and I plan to put them in the vase somewhere. And I brought this one, of course. You know, who knows? Who knows? And then this is just like an, you know, like an odor freshener for the house. I'm planning to put one in the bathroom and one somewhere else. Nothing fancy. Then I brought 2 Mod Podge. I believe I have 1 Mod Podge here, but I've had that a while back. I don't even know if that dry up by now. So I decided to get 2 small ones just in case, you know, I'm doing my canvases, which I'm excited to do, because I got to change these here. So I have them handy. And last but not least, I got me this body spray from the dollar store. This is the Brooks and Waters. You know, it's just I believe it's what, $3 or something. It's giving me like a coconut vibe. So it's called the Coconut Passion. So it's actually really nice. Smells really nice. So let me just redecorate this real quick, and just to show you what I'm going to do. All right, guys, so the first thing that I did was I had this old like jar container. I can't remember where I got this jar from, but anyways, I poured the rhinestones in there, and I also had another set of rhinestone in an old jar. And then what I did was I just took the flour out instead of putting the whole bottom in the jar because it couldn't fit. And I just kept it like that, guys. You know, I'll finish it up some other time, but that is the way I'm going to keep it. Yeah, so I just quickly did that, and then I move on to the couch. You know, nothing fancy. Like I said, this is not like a huge like decor. It's more like rearranging the living room and stuff. So basically that's what I did here. And I'm leaving that that cloth that you see on there. I'm leaving that. I felt I should have fixed that a little bit better, but you know, it is what it is. As you can see, I'm tucking it in, you know, just to make sure everything look neat. I reused my purple flat pillows. Then I added the gray pillows to it and just kept it that simple. But as we go on in the video, you're gonna see that I change it a bit. Then I move on to my flat table. As you can see, I am showing you again the little flower thing that I did. And yes, I do need more rhinestone, but this is just to kind of set the tone. I will finish it off as a DIY and show it to you guys in another video. So basically I just remove everything from the table, and for this table I wanted I wanted like a simple vibe. I felt like, you know, the previous idea, or the previous look, it was kind of chunky, you know, a lot was going on. So for this one, I pretty much wanted like a simple thing. And yeah, so that's what I did. I, you know, reused the tablecloths and just fixed them in a different way. So I used the pillow that I used to use on the couch, and I put that in the middle of the table, you know, just kind of playing around with it a bit. I was planning to put that flower vase on top of it, but it wouldn't fix, you know, that was not a good idea. Sometimes that's what you have to do. You just kind of have to play with things a bit and see how it goes. So pretty much I put this flat plate with some silver rhinestones in the middle of the pillow, you know, just give it like a simple, cute, cozy vibe, you know what I mean? And that was pretty much it for the table. So then I move on to this other, it's like a little burr thing, and I wanted to kind of rearrange that. I felt like I just put my blender on there, and I feel like it just kind of give it a bad look, you know. So I just kind of again rearranged the cloths and stuff like that. And then I had this old jar bottle. I believe somebody gave me something in it and I kept it. So what I did is I reused that, and then I put that on the table, and then I reused these rhinestones that I had in a jar. I did these DIYs jar things like a while back. I had them for a while. So what I'm going to do, or what I'm doing, is I reuse those rhinestones and put it in the jar. You know, you don't have to go out and buy new things. You can just look around and reuse your items or materials. So I then used the flowers that I got from the dollar store, cut the tags out. I was trying to cut it shorter, but it wouldn't work, so I bend it and just put it in the jar. So I used about 3 of them. And again, this is another one that I have to finish off. Yes, of course, I need some more rhinestone, but like I said, this is just to set the tone in the room. Then I went ahead and moved on to my living room table, if that makes sense, and just kind of rearrange that a bit. Now this jar, I usually put a lot of things in it for whatever reason, so I took out all the stuff in there, and then I added like these grapevine flowers that I got from the dollar store that I used for my birthday. So I just, you know, reused them and put them in the jar so the jar wouldn't look too simple, you know. And then I used, I still kept the green flowers that I had in there, and I just add purple, one of the purple flowers, just to kind of set a purple tone around the room, and added that like in the middle. Yeah, pretty much it. That's it for the flower vase. And then I had these two, it's like they're almost like blue, so I had them. What I did, I just set both of them on the table, because I had one on the other table, so I just decided to remove that and just add those two to the table, and that kind of set the table, and that's it. So for the window, guys, I kept it simple. I just removed the quote that I had there for, you know, I had that there for ages, and then I just added like my glasses, you know, nothing special. So I used some what you call it, those taps, you know, I just kind of stick them to the wall, you know, and then I add about 4 of them. And then I added my vine flowers, kind of give it like a little fancy look, you know, spring, summer vibe going on, you know, and that is it, guys. That is it. So right now I'm showing you what the room looks like. You know, it's just pretty nice, you know. Didn't do too much, just something simple. I just rearranged the room. You know, you don't have to always buy things to rearrange your place. You can just look around, you know, switch things back and forth, and your room will look nice, or your place will look nice. So that's what I did. As you can see with the couch, I added a green pillow in the middle. It kind of, give it a finished look, and it kind of blend with the couch too. So I felt that, it worked out a bit. So yeah, so this is it, guys, and that is the table, so I'm gonna leave you guys here just to kind of finish off looking at what I did, and let me know what you think, and I will see